a lot of background, but basically the Fatimids were a branch of Shia, but they escaped and lived in Morocco, and then they invaded the entire Arab world backwards. You know, all the invasions came usually from Iraq and Iran, but this one came from Morocco, and they took Egypt. Egypt was very strategic for them, so they took Cairo as their capital. Actually. So the guy built Cairo and called it Al-Qahira. So Al-Qahira, which became Cairo, transliterated, it means the Vincent city or the victorious city. And then these are all these complexes what he built. You can film, but people are used to. This is the main tourist attraction.
I see.
It's also this is the capital of souvenir shopping. But if you want to do that, I have to call one of my students to be with you.
Okay.
Because she's really good at negotiating. She will negotiate like from 100 to 10. I am really bad at this. I negotiate backwards. It's the Vatican for Muslims, but it's also more like, I don't know what, there used to be this university, the religious university where people would come from all the world. Until now, people get scholarships from Malaysia and Indonesia to come and study here. Like these guys, it's quite easy. So you will find a lot of bookstores.
Yeah, when I was in Indonesia, I saw a lot of Muslims there. That's how it is. Actually, it's the largest country.
In numbers, yeah, but
Yeah.
it gives Egypt a lot of prestige in the Islamic world just because of this university. Nadine loves them. The cartilage, I don't eat it.
Okay.
And the eyes, actually, the cartilage, so they serve all kinds of unusual things.
Like menudos.
واحنا راجعين
حطه هو
تعال قهوة تعال قهوة